Good morning, everyone. I will cover briefly what we have done, what we did in 2011 as far as households and small companies are concerned, and I give a bit of outlook for 2012. As you know, 2011 was a year of growth for UniCredit Bank in Slovenia as far as the network is concerned. So we opened 8 new branches during 2011, and by that we covered better Slovenia, Ljubljana, Maribor, other places such as Krško, Lucija, and other smaller places around the country. So the main objective was to become more convenient for customers, to increase our market shares, and in fact in 2011, while we maintained a sound market share in loans to households, we have managed to increase our market share in deposit, which was one of the other primary targets we have. Referring to loans and to lending in general, as you know, 2011 was a year of volatility, and especially in a part of the year of significantly worsened conditions for funding. Thereby, our lending activity has had a certain seasonality. Despite of that, as I said, we stayed a primary bank with a good market share across the whole year. In the effort to become more convenient to customers, and in the effort to increase our position in deposits and current accounts, we have invested in convenience and in particular in technology, whereby we launched a mobile banking solution that I presented to some of you last year, and we also enjoyed a good increase in online banking users, higher than 25% year on year, which tells a lot of how we managed to increase our relationship with customers. Same is for our website. We have increased the visitors online approximately 18% year on year, which I think is a very good development also looking forward. As far as let's say products that helped us in becoming even more and more competitive, our cooperation with Ergo, our main partner for life insurance, and Pioneer, our asset manager, the group asset manager, has seen us working very, very much last year, even considering that the volatility of the market asked us to be more active in communicating to customers the general conditions of the market. Last comment, we have further on developed our private banking business line. We have certified financial consultants in private banking in our country, which I think is a very good guarantee of quality in this area, and we plan to further extend the services there. Looking forward, so as far as 2012 is concerned, we plan to going forward in the strategy we have, thereby increasing our market shares as a primary bank of customers, which means in current accounts and in deposits. We plan to be still competitive in lending, where we mean offering solutions to customers. We expect 2012 not be possibly an easier year as far as lending is concerned in the system. Thereby, we really commit to be closer to our customer, both households and small business, in terms of communication, transparency, and level of professionalism of our network. And I would say we really plan to be still best in class in private banking for the next years as well.